Hello, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well today and I hope you are having a fantastic day. So right now, everyone is wondering, what exactly is going on with this housing market? I mean, the 2021 housing market is crazy. I mean, we haven't seen anything like this before. This is nuts. You have a housing crisis right now going on in America, and people are wondering, how exactly can we tell when the time is right to buy or sell a home? Right now, we are in a seller's market. Let's just get that out the door. We are in a seller's market, right? But the problem is buyers are struggling to get a home right now, and buyers, first-time home buyers, second home buyers, even investors are wondering what exactly is going to happen in this market. Are we going to see a crash or a boom? So in this video, I'm gonna have to unpack this for you so you can understand the trend and where things are headed based off of the historical data that we have right now. So in order to understand where the market is headed or the forecast, we have to look at the historical trend and what we're seeing as of today. So if you are a first-time home buyer, maybe you're trying to purchase your second home, or maybe you are an investor or a seller, you gotta watch this video till the very end. Even if you are an agent, watch this video till the very end to understand exactly what you need to know about this 2021 housing market. But before we dive in, if this is your first time stopping by this channel, welcome. Consider subscribing now to join this amazing community to stay informed on the latest economic and financial tips for your financial wellness and success. And one more thing, give this video a thumbs up to help other people find this information quicker, and share this video as well. So let's jump right into it. What exactly are we seeing right now? So according to this release, the latest release from Housing Wire, millions of Americans will be entering the housing market in 2021, and this is based off of a survey that Zillow conducted. So according to this report, as the pandemic does slowly lifts, even more Americans could flock secondary cities. So right now, people are not looking to flock cities like New York or places like California. So people are looking to move into secondary cities, and we're going to talk about these here in a little bit. So real numbers I want you to pay attention to, some quick numbers here. So approximately 1 in 10 Americans, according to Zillow, are reportedly have moved in the past 12 months. So 1 in 10 Americans, this is huge. 1 in 10 Americans are moving or have moved in the past 12 months, and this is either by choice or by circumstance. So maybe situational conditions, maybe conditions surrounding, their job, whatever. And then some people have moved by choice. So there's no circumstance driving the move. So pay attention to this other number too. So among people who were surveyed, the people who moved, approximately 75% of the people reported positive reasons, such as being closer to family or friends or living in a desired part of the country. So this is the reshuffling that we've seen with this pandemic of 2020. So the pandemic of 2020 did bring about people thinking, you know what, I need to move closer to family. I need to basically be in a place that I love or get some more space around me. So this is something that we're seeing right now, and as Zillow mentioned here, or as this report puts it, the great reshuffling, such as working from home and other things that have basically shifted their population densities or basically people's lifestyle or living choices. Now, the other thing that we have to understand about the secondary cities is that these secondary cities are seeing a massive influx because people are looking to take advantage of a bigger home. So people need more space now that we've been through the pandemic and the lockdowns and the work from home and all that stuff. So the other thing I want you to pay close attention to here is this number right here. So according to this report, the Texas capital, so Austin, Texas, saw the largest rise in median listing prices for homes among the 50 largest US markets. And right now, prices are up. Based off of December 2020 numbers, prices are up 23.6% year over year, but people are still flocking to Central Texas City, to Austin, Texas. So that's what we're seeing right now. Now, here's the interesting twist in this report, or the interesting fact here. So according to the Zillow survey, Zillow believes that approximately 2.5 million new households are entering the housing market in 2021. So 2.5 million households are entering this crazy hot market in 2021. Yet we don't have enough inventory, enough supply on the market right now. So here's another report. So mortgage rates, this is the other big thing that we're seeing right now that's impacting the housing market as of today. So rising mortgage rates are pushing applications down for the 5th week in a row. So according to this report, low inventory is hindering would-be buyers. So potential buyers are being slowed down by low inventory. I mean, if you go on the MLS and other listing services out there or platforms out there like Zillow, Realtor.com, and all the others, you will notice that there's not enough houses on the market. So right now, mortgage rates are going up, and then you have low inventory. So prospective buyers are not necessarily in the best position right now because low inventory means more competition. Rising rates are not very good for the potential buyers, and you're seeing so much competition and prices with the bidding wars going up. So that's what we're seeing right now in this crazy hot housing market. Now, in order to understand where exactly we're going to be headed to, let's take a look at the historic data. So let's take a look at the past couple of months. So according to this report from Black Knight, did put together a very great, insightful report on the February and January 2021 housing market. So let's take a look at the report from January. So according to the mortgage monitor from Black Knight, 3.82% is what we did see in change in delinquency rate. So in January of 2021, there was a decline of 5.9% in delinquency rate. So that's kind of what we're seeing right now. So January's decline to 5.9% brought the national delinquency rate below 6%. This is the number of people who are late, who make their mortgage payments late. And then when it comes to the foreclosure starts, so the initiation of foreclosures, 16.9% down. So basically in January of 2021, we did see that the mortgage starts, so the initiation of new mortgage of new foreclosures basically went down by 16.9%. Then when it comes to prepayment activity, there was a slowdown in people who prepaid their mortgages in January of 2021. So 17% of people did not pay or prepay. So there was basically a slowdown, 17% decline in the prepayment activity. So that's what we saw in January of 2021. So again, this could be as a result of the rise in mortgage rates or something like that. But again, let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below. Now, when it comes down to February of 2021, just a couple of months ago, so what exactly, according to the data we have right now, what exactly do we have to know from this? So 2.61%, this is a big change. Remember, January delinquency rate did show 3.82%. So there was a decline of people who were making late payments. This could be because of the stimulus checks, I don't know. But again, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. But right now we're seeing 2.61%. So late payments in February 2021 went up. So that's what we're seeing right now. So after 8 consecutive months of improvement, the delinquency rates rose by 2.61% in February of 2021. So this is very interesting right now. And then when it comes to prepayment activity, we did see a change compared to January. So we did see more people prepay. Remember, in January of 2021, we did see a 17% decline in prepayment activity. But in February of 2021, maybe thanks to the stimulus checks hitting the bank accounts, maybe I think the stimulus checks didn't even hit until then, but maybe the hopes of the stimulus checks coming, the third stimulus checks, people, that's my own opinion. So people did prepay their mortgages, the tax refunds and whatnot. That's what I'm thinking drove up this number. But 8.41% prepayment activity, that's the increase we did see in prepayment activity in February of 2021. Now when it comes down to pre-foreclosure starts, we did notice, according to this report from Mortgage Monitor, we did see that the foreclosure starts basically went down by 33.9%. So roughly 34% decline. That's what we did see here. So according to this report, foreclosures continue to hit record lows as newly extended moratorium suppresses activity. So remember, the Joe Biden American Rescue Plan did give a basic protection to homeowners. So homeowners are protected with the eviction moratorium, and also renters. So these mortgage forbearance and tools like that were provided through the American Rescue Plan did help to reduce the number of foreclosures that would have hit the housing market in February of 2021. So we did see roughly 34% decline in new foreclosures. So these are very interesting numbers that I want you to see, comparing them with the previous month. So looks like the number doubled. So we did go down by a factor of 2 when you compare that to the January numbers. So right now, that's kind of what we're seeing with the housing market. So when it comes down to how to fix this housing market inventory, the crisis going on right now, how do we fix this? So according to this report from Housing Wire, this report did give some tips on how to fix the housing market crisis, the low inventory. So basically the supply problem that we're having right now. And one thing that they did say is incentivizing current owners to sell is key. So you have some owners who don't exactly want to sell their home, but you have a lot more buyers who are looking to buy in. So one of the key ways, according to this report, is incentivizing current homeowners. So if you own a home right now, can you sell your home or will you sell your home if someone incentivizes you to sell your home? Let us know in the comment section below. And if so, how much incentive will drive you to selling your home right now? So maybe things like taxes and the rest of them. So here's some of the tools that they did, or some of the insights that they did give in this report. So they said the federal government could quickly incentivize home owners of existing homes, so people who own their homes right now, not new construction, to sell using one or a combination of carrot-based or stick-based approaches. So using a carrot-based approach opens a temporary window of capital gains exemption, which would incentivize owners of investment homes with capital gains, as well as owners or occupiers, owner-occupiers with over 250K to 500K in gains to sell. So this is just using that tax approach, the capital gains, incentivizing people by basically eliminating some type of taxes, or basically having a tax rebate or some type of tax deduction. So that's the suggestion according to this, in order to prop up the inventory. I want to get your thoughts on this in the comment section below. Do you think that having investors, people who don't live in the homes, people who rent the homes out, having investors basically recoup capital gains without any taxes, or basically sell their homes and take the capital, sell their investment properties and have no capital gains taxes, do you think that that is a way to prop up the inventory? I want to get your thoughts in the comment section below. Or having owner occupied people who, homeowners, people who occupy their homes, the primary homes, people who have a profit when they sell the homes. Remember, when you sell your home and you make over a certain number, I think this number here says 250 to 500K in gains, you're subject to paying taxes. But again, you got to check the tax codes there, just so I don't give you the tax advice. I'm just a dude on the internet giving you my opinions. But the suggestion here is to have this 500 to 250 to 500K gains eliminated, and maybe increasing that range so people can take more, can pocket more money when they sell their home. So these are some of the options that we're seeing right now. Let me know your thoughts about this in the housing in the comment section below. So the housing market is super hot right now, and we're not seeing any slowdown anytime soon as far as the next few months is concerned. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below again, and if you've gained some insight from this video, do not fail to hit that subscribe button now, and also give this video a thumbs up to help other people find this information quicker. I look forward to connecting with you, and also be sure to check back for more updates. See you in the next video. Stay safe and thank you for watching.